I, John Parker, of lawful age and commander of the militia in Lexington, do testify and declare that on the 19th instant, in the morning, about 1 o'clock, being informed that there were a number of regular officers riding up and down the road, stopping and insulting people as they passed the road, and also was informed that a number of regular troops were on their march from Boston in order to take the province stores at Concord, ordered our militia to meet on the common in said Lexington to consult what to do, and concluded not to be discovered, nor meddle or make with said regular troops if they should approach, unless they should insult or molest us. And upon their sudden approach, I immediately ordered our militia to disperse and not to fire. Immediately, said troops made their appearance and rushed furiously, fired upon and killed 8 of our party, without receiving any provocation, therefore, from us.